Hi everyone, welcome to today's section on the Duplex Retina. My name is Michael Quatten and I'm excited to take you through this interactive team-based learning session. For our learning objectives for this session, we will look at the concept of the Duplex Retina, the retinal photoreceptor cells, that is the rods and cones, the phototransaction mechanism of these cells, and the type of vision and the significance of the duplex retina. At the end of this session, students will be able to identify and describe the structural differences of the photoreceptor cells and spectral sensitivity. Also explain the concept of dark and light adaptation and Purkinje shift. Let's start with the question. Have you ever struggled to see in a dark room and then adjusted over time? Why does this happen? This experience is related to the way our duplex retina functions, allowing us to see across a wide range of lighting conditions. Today, we will explore this system in detail through engaging problem-based activities. The human retina has two photoreceptor types, rods and cones, enabling vision under different lighting conditions. The rods are used for scotopic vision or low light vision, and they are highly sensitive and they are not used for color perception. The cones are used for photopic vision, that is bright light vision, high visual acuity, and for color perception. We also have the mesopic range or mesopic vision, which represents the transition between rods and cone function. For this session, you were encouraged to review the following resources. Let's begin with a short individual and team quiz to assess our foundational understanding. Each question will be discussed in your teams before we review the answers together. For the individual-based assessment, use your phone or laptop and go to menti.com and enter the code or scan the QR code. So for the question 1, which photoreceptor type is responsible for night vision? Question 2, what is the main reason why rods are more sensitive to dim light than cones? Question 3, the Purkinje shift explains why. The last question, why do cones provide better visual acuity than rods? Now let's go to the team-based assessment. So you break into your groups and then you respond to the same questions that you did at the individual assessment. Great. Now let's go through these questions and answers together, and we will clarify any misconception. Now let's apply what we've learned to real-world clinical cases. Each team will discuss their assigned case and share their reasoning. After it, there will be peer evaluation and final grading, with each team having 15 minutes to present their case. There are 4 groups and 4 cases, with Group 1 taking case 1 and Group 2 taking case 2 in that order. So for the first case, a patient reports difficulty seeing at night but has normal color vision during the day. What part of the duplex retina system might be affected and why? The second case, a patient with a history of albinism complains of extreme glare in bright conditions. What photoreceptor system is primarily responsible and what causes this issue? Case 3. A 65-year-old patient reports a gradual loss of peripheral vision but retains central vision. What part of the retina is affected and which photoreceptors are primarily involved? The last case, two people walk into a dark movie theater. One has just been outside in bright sunlight while the other has been indoors. Who will adjust to the darkness faster and why? Great. Now we are at the end of our presentations and peer evaluation. It is also time for appeals on the mark allocation and responses. For our final reflection question, how can understanding the duplex retina help in diagnosing real-world visual disorders? Each group has 5 minutes to respond to this question. Thank you for your responses and comments. In summary, the duplex retina allows vision in different lighting conditions such as photopic vision, scotopic vision, and mesopic vision. The rods are used for night vision and the cones for day and color vision. In terms of clinical relevance, disorders like night blindness, albinism, and glaucoma affect rod cone function differently. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review today's session. Use your phone or laptop and go to menti.com and enter the code or scan the QR code. So for our review question, 3 take-home messages on this session. For the next class, below are the reading and learning materials. The topic will be on principles of photometry and vision testing. Thank you, and if there are any questions or concerns, you are welcome. Thank you.